Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening essentials with a close look at what many consider the best gardening knee pad on the market. The TOUA kneeling pad. Whether you're tending to your garden, doing household chores, or practicing yoga, having a reliable kneeling pad can make all the difference. The TOUA kneeling pad promises comfort, durability, and versatility. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the features. This pad boasts an impressive 1 to 1 by 2 inch thickness, making it one of the thickest options available. It's crafted from high-density, non-toxic foam, ensuring both comfort and longevity. The dimensions of 18 inches by 11 inches strike a balance between spaciousness and portability. What sets this knee pad apart is its multi-functionality. It's not just for gardening. It's perfect for house cleaning, baby bathing, and even serves well during prayer or fitness routines like yoga and Pilates. Plus, being lightweight and waterproof, it's easy to clean and dries quickly. Compared to other options on the market, such as thinner pads or those lacking waterproof features, the TOUA kneeling pad stands out for its combination of thickness, durability, and ease of use. While we won't delve into specific customer reviews, many highlight its reliability across different uses, praising its comfort and the peace of mind that comes with a 12-month warranty and a 90-day money-back guarantee. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile, durable kneeling pad that excels in gardening and beyond, the TOUA kneeling pad is a solid choice. Its blend of comfort, portability, and durability makes it a valuable addition to any household. That wraps up our review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews like this one. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or if you've tried this pad yourself. Until next time, happy gardening and stay tuned to Product Critique.